Ramadan. Go.
Well, happy Ramadan to everyone. I'm here with Councilman Tim McOsker at his beautiful celebration of St. Patrick's Day in Little Italy.
It is in Little Italy, that's right.
And with our State Assembly, Mike Gibson. It's Ramadan. Anything you want to say to the community?
So here we are in downtown San Pedro, and we are having this unique celebration of St. Patrick's Day in Little Italy. And so what better place to say to all of our friends, Happy Ramadan. We wish you a wonderful Ramadan, because we are all in this together, whether we're celebrating St. Patrick's Day or our Italian-American culture. We want to make sure that we wish you a happy Ramadan.
And I just want to say on behalf of the people of the 65th State Assembly District, happy Ramadan. We pray for you. This is a great opportunity for us to come together as a community and support one another during this time. So again, from my family to yours, happy Ramadan.